Hi, my name's Indra. We're making a drink recipe today. This is our first drink in the kitchen. It is summer, it's hot, it's nice to feel refreshed. We're making mojitos. We're making two different kinds, one with mango and one with pineapple. It's a relatively simple drink. You rehydrate the mango and pineapple because you do want it to meld into your drink. You want to be able to taste it. The pineapple is unsulfured, very important. You don't want the sulfur in this drink particularly. It will change the fruit. The mango, we've used the organic Mexican mango, though the unsulfured conventional version will also work very well in this recipe. You can cut or rip up the fruit into small pieces. Pour about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of warm water, and then you let it sit for about 15 minutes to half an hour. We also have limes, which we will juice, ice, a little bit of sugar. You want to use a light sugar. You can use a white, a cane sugar, that type of thing. You don't want brown for this recipe. Sparkling water or club soda, fresh mint. Traditionally, a mojito is made with white rum, which we have here. However, many people enjoy it with either gin or vodka. I've even seen it made with a darker rum as well, as long as it's not flavored. We're gonna start by adding about a teaspoon of the sugar. The fruit does add a little bit of natural sweetness, so you can cut down on the sugar if you prefer. Now we're gonna cut our lime. Add some mint. You can use different kinds of mint, however, I've just got a regular peppermint here. You want about 5-ish leaves per glass is what I like. Now, once we have our sugar, our mint, and our lime juice in here, we are gonna have to muddle it together a little bit. Now, you might not have a mojito muddler. What we have here is actually for a blender. You can also use a spoon. You just wanna break up the leaves a little bit to release the mint juice in there. And you want the sugar in there as well. It helps to break up the mint leaf and release more flavor. Now I'm gonna add our fruit. I'm making one with pineapple and one with mango. And you do want to use the little bit of the juices that is in here from soaking your fruit. Now we're gonna add our white rum. This is about 1.5 ounces for this size of glass. You want lots of ice in a mojito. It is supposed to be a cold drink and it is supposed to be served on the rocks. So we're gonna fill the glass quite full here. I always like to add a little extra mint sprig in there for decoration. Now you're just gonna top it up with your sparkling water or club soda. There we go. 2 different types of mojitos. We have one mango, one pineapple. You can share or cheers. It's hard to pick a favorite.